you also ready for the Wild West?
Yes.
Let's see. We'll have the
Empanada trio, ma'am.
And braised short ribs.
Braised short ribs, ma'am.
And Denver gold bar.
Denver gold bar, ma'am. And for the drink, anything?
And for the drink, let me see. Can I get unsweet tea?
Unsweet rice.
Can I change that to hot coffee?
Hot coffee?
Thank you.
We're going to have the Old West Empanada Trio.
Empanada trio.
And first class lobster salad.
Lobster salad.
And I guess I better have the Royal Whale.
Railway side. Any drink you would like to have, my man?
Yeah, unsweet iced
The coffee will come from the dining room. It will take a while.
Okay, that's all. Hot coffee with cream there. That would be fine. Thank you.
This menu is a souvenir for you. You can keep that on.
Wonderful, thank you. I was hoping it would be. Wonderful menu is these souvenirs.
Howdy, y'all! How are you, ma'am? Wow! Well, this is much nicer than riding on the roof. Hey, you must be that conductor Rowdy's impersonating! Wait, Rowdy, is that you?
No, I'm afraid not. Rowdy Yates got off the train back in Durango.
Really? Well, did she have a lot of case with her?
Well, what's it look like?
Ooh, kind of like that one.
No. I mean, yes. She did have a case with her, and she said she was gonna go somewhere far away and bury it.
What?
Yeah, that's what she said. Right, everybody? Right?
That ain't the plan. Bad Billy is not gonna like this, no. Well, did she happen to say where?
Sir, does anybody remember where she was headed? Deputy?
Deputy! Gosh! I must have lost my 6-shooter again. The 6-1 this month. Sorry about that, Deputy. Alright, now, you could just tell me where my sister was headed? Can't be losing your map, you know. Alright, now.
cave.
Will you hold that corner for me there? Now,
Find
if
the
this
cave.
is Harris in Coyote Creek, why don't you just point out where she was headed?
Find the cave.
What?
The cave.
The cave.
Yeah.
Well, that seems very far away. You know, all right, sister. Here I come. Gosh, I really don't want to be walking all that way. Especially with that sandstorm coming.
A sandstorm? Well, you know what? We're actually headed to Grand Junction, and you can take a train far away from there. Why don't we give you a ride?
Really?
Well, sure.
Well, that is mighty kind of you.
Oh, that'll change up plans. I've been searching high and low, and I can't find Gummy anywhere. Bad Billy is real sensitive about losing a ride to a snake. In fact, she's developed ophidiophobia. That's a fear of snakes. When Bad Billy shows up, I need you all to stare right at her missing eye, as wide-eyed as you can. And should distract her long enough till I can find Gummy, so he can finish her off. Now, when I cover my eye, that's your signal to stare right at her missing eye. Can you give it a try? Yeah? All right, great. On my signal. Ready? Now! I'm Bad Billy. Sit right. That's what I like to see. I'm Bad Billy. All right, Billy, show them the whites of your eyes now. All right, great. Perfect. Now, just like that. What?
Howdy back there. This is your head engine.
What's going on? We're on the wrong track. This is rail to Last Chance Mine. Nobody goes in there.
That's what I told you.
Jeremiah, what's going on? Why are we on the wrong track? Why don't you answer me, Jer? What's going on? Are you okay? That's Bad Billy. All right, y'all. Remember the plan. Remember my signal. Wide eyes. We'll get through this together, y'all.
Wide eye.
Don't you worry.
Am I doing it? Oh, yeah.
Hey, here she comes now.
Salutations.
Gone.
Pardon the interruption.
No, not at all. We invite all our passengers to explore the train.
Matter of fact,
We keep an eye on all our guests. Wide eyes, wide eyes.
now I don't know what's going on, but y'all are looking pretty silly. If there's one thing I can't abide, it's silly.
Okay, just hold on there.
Now let me ask you a question. Are all U.S. Marshals as foolish as you, William Money? Yeah, that's right. I know all about your little plan. Move the royal blends. Tell the bandits about it. It's cute. Almost worked too. But you were never gonna get too far. Not with the exit of that there mine all blowed up.
The exit? You switched the tracks, huh?
Yeah. Tied up your little engineer friend too. Now look. We both know what I'm here for. Why don't you make this easy? Hand it over. You do that, you might still have time to stop the train. Hurry now! We ain't got time for Wild West fisticuffs, and I wouldn't want to hold you up.
Hey, fine. Just don't hurt these passengers.
And the key.
You got me, Billy. You're just lucky I couldn't find my snake.
Snake! On this train?
Yeah, that's right, Billy. A huge rattly somewhere in this car with your name on it.
You're bluffing.
Maybe, maybe not.
Give me that key!
Snake!
Where?
Yes! Woo! All right, y'all. I'm gonna get her out of here and untie Jeremiah.
No more snakes!
I'll grab someone to get these plates in. Thanks again.
Sorry for the sudden stop, folks. Is everybody okay? I was up here enjoying the view, and the next thing I know, I'm tied up That darn Wild Bunch gang and their ropes. Very naughty. Yes? Fiddlesticks. I don't see a way through. The whole exit's blocked off by rocks. Oh, wait, what's that? Oh, nope. Just a hard place. Well, everybody, I'm awfully sorry about this. I don't know what to tell you. I wish I had some explosive idea to get us out of here. Oh, now that's an idea. Porter, can you bring up some of our cargo to the front of the train?
This is my regular shortcut, you know. I think you got enough. Was here 4 times per day. Because we got 4 shows to do, you know. I got you. Hey, deputy, thanks for helping with noise. Okay, I got it.
So then we go back. Enjoy your dessert.
He's trying to steal her gold.
Honey?
He tried to steal her gold.
Uh-oh, all right.
He doesn't smoke. It's cool.
Then more coffee?
Yes, please, coffee.
Regular, right?
Yes, regular. Thank you.
Happy birthday! Oh, congratulations, old best man.
Thank you very much.
Dear Catherine. Catherine. Happy birthday! Thank you for choosing to celebrate. Edward! Happy birthday! Welcome. Dear Donald! Happy birthday! Best sir, congratulations.
Oh, it has ice cream inside. Very serious.
Ready to start the countdown? What do you mean you already leaving? Everybody brace yourselves!
The black powder worked. He punched a hole right through the robot. Hey, the path is clear. The path is clear. It's all my friend used to say. The path is clear.
Right! That could have been so bad. We could have caught fire or caused a cave-in or smoked out the mines or you know what? Never mind. We're alive. That's all that matters. Grand Junction, straight ahead. Woo! Yeah. Now, I wasn't really afraid there. I was just playing, you know. Were y'all afraid? No. Y'all making strong over here. Nothing to worry about. Where's Gummy? Oh, I'll find him.
Looks like a deputy star.
Yeah. Wait a minute.
Oh.
This ain't Grand Junction. How do we end up back in Durango? I guess the path through the mines is an old shortcut back to where we started. Wow. Well, y'all, if it weren't all so eventful, it'd almost be like we never even left the station. Folks, I hope that despite all the bandits and explosions, and snakes. And y'all enjoy yourselves here aboard the Royal Railway. Thank you so much for helping me catch this slippery wild lunch gang and securing the Royal Blade. He knew the plan and everything, too. Oh, God. He just can't resist a little blame. I get it. I'm the same way. He got his eyes on me. Oh, God. Well, Gummy and I want to wish you safe travels to wherever you're headed next. Feel free to finish up those desserts now. They're looking mighty delicious. Easy, boy. That's not